Banele ban rak deng kong ye ki kam snew kam tam ha ga jing khayi be an yo drugs bari ki we di jing di buat ka ANTF jong ka East Khasi Hills hakini ki ars ngi ki bela dam kala yo ban Kurup la jan saus pa gram u drug heroin bat ka pisa san point san lak tengka kat ba ki sau bnai ki bela dep ki Pulit jong ka jela ki la yo ban Kurup ye ki jing di pun buat ki be shong dor khat pra point lai klur tengka
Habayakran bikinong patay kubor hakasin todeng jong katayo. U Director General ki Pulit kejela u Dr. LR Bishnoy, u loong bagi Pulit kejela na do ubnay jeliau hadu unay luar menta kesnem, kilio Kurup lai kilo nrupu argram u Drok Heroin, sawajar san spa kilo Kynja, sispa san program u Opium, sispa sopsan bitor kadawai jerho bat kadwai hajar kentai spa arteli kidawai penbuat. Bat kini kejengdi penbuat kisyongdor barok kat praklur lai pulai lak tengka. U DGP uletho bagi Pulit kilakam sispa lai pusangut ki besuba kai drugs ki bakentop ya sispa arpusangut kishenrang bat kendai ngut ki kentai bala pengat gine baro ahpo ki kendon jong ke NDPS Act. Uloong bagi Pulit kilakam ru ya saungut ki Pulit constable ki badan keti ha keban kai drugs bat ki bakerni ha kejing di drugs.
During last 4 months the Meghalaya police has recovered 3 kg 62 gram heroin, 4,500 kg ganja, 150 gram opium, 145 bottles of cup syrup, 11,902 tablets of methamphetamine, and the total cost in the illegal market of these drugs is 18 crore 33 lakh. So you can say that during last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered drug worth value 18.33 crore rupees. Along with the drugs, during last 4 months, we have recovered 31 vehicles. Mostly the vehicles are the small and medium-sized vehicles. These 31 vehicles also include 4 number of trucks. We have also recovered 90 number of mobile phone, and most of these were smart or Android phones. We have also recovered 1 arms and few rounds of ammunition and daggers. Our cash recovery total from the drug traffickers as on today till today for last 4 months stands 24.22 lakh. 24 lakh 22,311 rupees to be exact. We have recovered these drugs and registered 48 number of cases during last 4 months, and we have arrested 134 accused during last 4 months. Out of these 134, 125 are male and 9 are female. Out of these 134 accused, 123 accused belongs to Meghalaya state and 11 accused belongs to outside Meghalaya, mainly Assam, Manipur and Arunachal. This indicates that the drug traffickers are working as interstate gang. We have arrested total 4 constables so far. They were found involved in the supply of drugs because they themselves are the drug addicts. So to overcome this problem, we have sought the assistance of qualified counselor, and some counseling sessions were organized for those policemen who have resorted to heavy drinkings and they are prone to be lured by the drug traffickers. And secondly, to overcome this problem, we are concentrating more on the PT, parade, sports and other physical exercise so that their BMIs and other can be improved.
U DGP uloong bagajingkai drugs bat gajing syakem kinong de drugs kala jabha haki pratli ki distrik jong kejela ki bakentup ke East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, South West Khasi Hills, East Jante Hills, West Jante Hills, South Garo Hills bat ribhoi. Uletho bana ki sapu pratli ki mokot duma ke bel register sanpo nakshispa ki de ki bahab ha East Khasi Hills nangta kabut saka West Garo Hills, East Jante Hills bat ha West Jante Hills. Bat haduk menta South League District ki bampat yok ban register mokot duma ha kajing kai drugs kade ke Eastern West Khasi Hills East Garo Hills, North Garo Hills, bat ke Southwest Garo Hills. Ulaong bagi Pulit kelayo ru ban Kurup lifeway teligi kali ki bakenthop ispo teligi Drok nang ta khat khandai teligi mobile phone kawai kesulai bat ki kuli bat kepisa ka ba arpusau point RR lak tengka.
Other than that, during last 4 months, we have also launched a massive drive against the bike lifters. Most of the stolen bikes are from either from Tura or from the Shillongs, and some bikes they have purchased from the Assam and other neighboring states. So during last 4 months, we have recovered 141 stolen bikes, and we have arrested 61 bike lifters during last 4 months, and we have registered 19 number of cases against these bike lifters gangs.
Dr. LR Bishnoi ula pentip batang hakini ki arsngi ki Pulit kle obon Kurup ya drugs heroin ubadan life spa kat kandai point iwe nyogram bat kat saw point arsau kilo kanja bat la kemru ya sawngut kebedan keti ha kaban kai drugs ha katan maulai la yo ru ban Kurup nyau teligi mobile phone kapisa basau lak tengka san po hajar pras pa lai pho bat ka kali wagan ar kebedan new number ML not sausi iwe hindrio san kandai Ki Pulit kilapan ngat igini kebedan keti haki kendon jong ke NDPS Act.
Scanner are not installed in every entry and exit points. So we will submit our requirements to the government that at least the interstate border, if the modern scanners can be installed, then at least large vehicles can pass through them, and we will be able to detect more drugs. So 3 or 4 the large time traffickers were arrested from the Shillong cities who were getting supply from the state of Manipur and Mizoram. We got certain inputs about the activities of drug traffickers in the state of Manipur and Mizoram, and we shared instantly these inputs with the DGP of Manipur. Other than that, most of the drug mafias, they are acting behind the curtains. They are not operating directly from the city of Shillong. So that is why it is difficult to nab them as far as the local operations are concerned. For that, in NCOD meetings, we have raised this issue, and we sought the cooperation of the other northeastern states so that we can work unitedly and jointly to control this menace.
DGP ula pentikna ba unspenshtam ke officer ba diki Pulit jongka tactical team 1 sisian balayo opdiang ya kejeng ajeng pensyai neki baro. Ka tactical team 1 kalalit ban kanrai ke yang sa jong general secretary berem ke HNLC uba Chesterfield thangkio. Bat kalashim sundan ne kejeng im da kabasiat uba Cheres ha ka khalai tarik unailar ka senam arhajar arpuwei. Halor kan kejeng ja ke sarkar kelathong da ka commission ban toket ke balakle ru justice T Vaipai bat haba kalayo opdiang ya ka kaipot klara ak yang darbar thawan ke jela. Ka kaipot jing toket kala kadau ba kejing penkre kejing kenra kalong ke babiang bha ndre ka rukom pentrei kampat kalong ke baduna bat ke babakla namar ka kenhuon ki Pulit ke dai melet kem im yau ba Chesterfield thangkio DGP uletho ba ketenat Pulit gladap ban pha kejing ajing mut ha ka bedai ba kejing pentrei kam ka roster system na ke benta ka kam Pulit constable jang ka unarmed branch bat ka armed branch sya ketenat korbari ke jela bat menta kadang dan pedeng kajing kemi benia. Dr. LR Bishnoi ulang bamenta kan syong ha ketenat personal ban penbenai ke notification ha ka bedai ga roster system bat hadian bala menjor kajing ajing mut jong ketenat Pulit kan sepenlong ya ke interview ban sedang tongkam no.
The safe and secure Shillong is a important component of that the smart city project also. And there are certain points where the CCTV will be installed, and to strengthen the mobile patrollings, the Honorable CM has agreed to provide 80 bikes for the mobile squad patrollings. So for those 80 bikes, we have submitted proposals to the government. The moment proposal will be sanctioned, those 80 bikes will be purchased and will be provided to the mobile squad, so that lanes and by-lanes of Shillong can be covered. Other than that, wherever we are visiting, we are interacting with the publics, and they are suggesting the security lapses in their respective areas also. For example, few days back when I visited Nongmensong area, then people complained that the strength of the police is less. So immediately we have sent 10 more police personnel, including lady police, so that they can dominate the lane and by-lanes. So as soon as the suggestions come from the public, we are acting upon these suggestions depending on the availability of the logistic in the police department.